Hey folks, Mike Sylvan at Seattle Mini, and today we're going to talk about a different kind of parking assist. Not the one where the car parks for you, but the one where you're doing the parking and how to make your car help you do that better. Okay, so making your parking life easier. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to push this button right here, and this is going to bring forward all the places that we can start configuring the behavior of the car. We're going to go into driver's assistance and we're going to choose parking. And then we're going to make some decisions. Do we want sound active for the parking assistance? If so, we turn it on. Or leave it on. If we wanted to show assistance information, we leave it on. And then keep going down to here, emergency braking at rear. This is going to come from the factory turned off, but if you're me and you can easily back into something, you're going to turn that on. And if you're me and you're worried about what's beside you, you're going to turn that on too, because it's going to help you if you might be about to catch something on the sides. It does not guarantee you're not going to hit something, but it guarantees that you're less likely to do so. And if you keep on going down here, you're going to see drive off monitoring. What that is if you're accelerating fairly quickly away from something and it sees an object, that's on, it's going to slow you down. And if you hit it, you're going to hit it not as fast, or maybe not hit it at all. And if you keep going to the bottom, and you always should when you're on these pages, you'll see brake intervention at the rear, you'll see the GPS-based panoramic view, all of this, you can turn those on and you can turn those off, and if you're me, everything on this page is on. Thanks for watching our video. As always, you can reach me at 206-588-4216. That's 206-588-4216 if you are in Washington, Idaho, or Western Montana. If you're in Oregon or another state, please reach out to your local dealer. Those folks would love to hear from you.